How to make a YouTube thumbnail using the CapCut Video Editor app. Now, before I continue, this is just a quick way to create a thumbnail. There's other ways, but if you're on the go and you want to make something quick and creative, this is how you can do it with CapCut. To get started, use the part that says New Video and just go to now Photos, and you're going to choose a photo that has that frame aspect ratio that's similar to the YouTube thumbnail. So I got some of my photos here. I'll just use one of these that I would usually use as a thumbnail for my videos. I'll press add here, and it's going to be good to have this aspect ratio here. Now in the bottom area, I want you to go and look for the aspect ratio settings here. And the reason is when you go here, switch it to this one here, and you'll see why later on. Now, the next thing you want to do is change the background. So you don't want to use this as your thumbnail. If you want to, you can use this. But if you want to use something else, like a solid color, go to background here and choose a color. I'm just going to go with yellow, as you saw early on here. And you'll notice nothing happens. But take your two fingers and pinch, and you'll now have that color in the background. Just going to toss this all the way past the frame so it wouldn't show anything. Press the check mark, and now you're good to go. Now, the next thing is you want to perhaps maybe add an icon. And usually when you want to add an icon, you can use either the sticker or the overlay. I would suggest using the overlay, as you can customize that much better. So if you have a photo saved on your device, you can go here, go to add here, and I'm going to go ahead and find that photo that I want. So I'll use the CapCut logo here. I'll press add. And why I recommend using the overlay to add photos is you can get access to the mask tool to the far right here, and you can create it. So instead of having that rough square edge here, you can smoothen that out there for yourself and have it look much better. Okay, now you can go ahead and adjust this here and place it where you want. All right, you're going to be adding your photos, your whatever it is that you want to add. Now if you want to add some text, you can just come out of here, go to text, and I'm just going to go ahead to here. This is going to happen, tap on fonts so that you can focus better. All right, and you're going to go to type here. Just go ahead and type what you want to type. I'm just going to say make YouTube, all right, thumbnail. Okay, I'm just going to say this is just to show you how this is going to work, but you type what you want to type. Okay, you can go ahead into the effects now, and just to be creative with your text, you can go ahead and choose any color that'll stand out here. You do what you want to do, but just giving you tips of how to go about doing things. Now, don't worry about the paid version because you're not really going to use the paid version. All right, so let's just say I do this here, right? And maybe I wanted to add some stickers just to make it more creative, okay? So we'll come out of here, we'll go to stickers, and let's just say we want to add something with travel, okay? So go to travel and you just press search. It's gonna generate all the stickers that you want that's related to that. Maybe your video is about traveling or something like that, okay? So what we're gonna do is we can go with this one here, and we can place this one here, and I'll just get one more so you can see. I'll just go with this one here, okay? It's going to... okay, we'll just go with this one here. All right, I'll just put this bunny one here. Sometimes it might take a while to load up. If not, just choose one that does work, okay? All right, so there you go. They're all showing up now. Okay, this is just an idea, all right? Now, once we're done with all this here, what you're gonna do is screenshot this. You're gonna screenshot. So whether it's Android or Samsung, go ahead and screenshot like this. And you wanna make sure you just basically have it set to like at least that, give yourself some space. All right, so once the screenshot has been saved, now you're gonna go into your YouTube Studio app. In your YouTube Studio app, find the video that you want to add the thumbnail to, and then you'll tap here on the edit area. This is gonna show up, and you're gonna tap on the edit here. Then you will see the part that says custom thumbnail right here, this option right here. So tap on that. And once you do this, the last photo that you have saved on your device, which would be the screenshot, would appear here. And once you tap on it, you can press done. And while here, you want to make the adjustments with your fingers, and you can move it around how you want it to be, okay? And just, you are going to make the changes according to how you want it to be. It doesn't have to be perfect, but for now, something like this here, okay? Then press done and save, and this will be your quick, creative thumbnail, okay? And you're good to go. Like and sub, and thanks for watching.